Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app ready. Update Facebook so features behave predictably, then enable location and background refresh so nearby friends can detect people. Once done, open Facebook and tap the menu icon. You want the Find Friends or Nearby Friends entry. This first step connects your device to Facebook's location system so the app can show nearby people. Make sure you grant precise location permission when prompted, because approximate location will reduce accuracy and limit results. You'll now use the map and list view to find people close to you. Open the Nearby Friends map. If you allow real-time sharing, you'll see live locations. If not, you'll see recent check-ins. Tap a profile pin to read mutual friends, hometown, or recent posts so you can decide whether to reach out. Once you've identified someone, use filters like distance or mutual friends to narrow options. This helps you prioritize likely connections and avoid random requests to people with no shared context. You finish by sending a concise friend request or a message explaining where you spotted them. A short, friendly note increases acceptance chances. Once connected, follow up in Messenger and adjust Nearby Friends notifications so you're alerted appropriately. If you don't see nearby friends, don't panic. Update the app, confirm location permissions, clear Facebook cache, or open Facebook in a mobile browser. If the feature remains unavailable, region or account settings might limit it. Check Facebook settings or try another device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.